So I started out by cutting my words and then laying them all facing me and facing up so that I can read them. And none of them are upside down. The next thing I'm gonna do is use those 4 bolded words that we got, our examples, and put them into their categories first. That will help to give me an example of what to do for all the other words. So when we started with CVVC, we were looking for which one of these 4 words has 2 vowels right next to each other in the middle. It's chief. It has an I and then an E, and those are both vowels. There's a consonant before the vowels and a consonant after, so it goes here in CVVC. Now I'm looking for my CVC word. So I'm looking for the vowel first. I'm going to look at the vowel and I'm going to see if it has a consonant before and a consonant after. And lots of them do. This has a consonant before and a consonant after. I has a consonant before and a consonant after. And E also has a consonant before and after. So how will I know which one goes here? Well, if I'm not sure, I may try to find one that's a little easier first. So let's look for our CVCE word. Because all of them have this CVC pattern, but then some of them have a bonus at the end, right? So the only one that ends with a magic E is wine. So I'm going to put wine right here. And that makes it a little easier for my other 2. So I have wrap and smell. One of them is CVC and one of them is CVCC. Wrap has a consonant before the A and a consonant after the A, but it doesn't have an extra consonant after that, so that is my CVC word. And smell has consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Okay, now I'm gonna do what's easiest for me first. What's easiest for me first is to find some magic E words and get those out of the way, because I know that if it ends in magic E, it's gonna go here. So scale has magic E, and I'll just check CVCE, yes. Brave, because it has a vowel, consonant before, consonant after, and then E. Quote also follows that pattern. Now I'm going to pause. I got a few of those out of my way. Another one that's kind of easy for me is CVVC, because that means it's going to have 2 vowel sounds together in the middle of the word. Lots of words have 2 vowels, right? But not always together. These ones have 2 vowels, but they're separated with a consonant. A word that goes here is just going to have 2 vowels together, like grown has consonants and then vowel, vowel, consonant. Stain also has 2 consonants together to make that A sound. Brief has 2 consonants. Fruit has 2 consonants. Where do you think when is going to go? Where would you put when? If I look at the vowel, consonant before, consonant after, and then nothing else. So it's going to be CVC. What about plot? Plot. Consonant comes before the vowel and after, and nothing else does. Let's look for some CVCC words like smell. Front, consonant, vowel, and then 2 consonants at the end. Climb. Trust. I think I know where twig goes. I think twig is CVC, because before and after the vowel, there's a consonant and nothing extra at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna let you do this on your own. I left 7 words that still needed to be sorted. You're gonna do all of yours, and then as soon as you have it sorted, we wanna go ahead and write it down. And this can be something that you submit. That way, if you're not sure, especially if you're not sure, since this is your first time doing the sort, if you wanna just turn it in to check and make sure you got it right, then you can do that. So to record this work, we put the heading at the top, all 4 headings. and then we record our words under them. So here I have chief, grown, stain, brief. Under CVC, I have when, plot, and twig. CVCC, smell, front, climb, and under CVCE, wine, scale, and brave. Now, we want to save our words when we're done in a plastic bag. You got a plastic bag with this sort. The reason is because you really need to practice sorting these words each day. It doesn't take too much time now that we have them all cut out. When you get them out tomorrow to practice sorting them again, it'll just take you a couple minutes. And you don't have to write them down again. If you already wrote them down in your language notebook, then that's okay. You can do a different activity. There are 5 activities to choose from in Canvas so that you have an option to practice every single day. And you can choose which one of those activities you want to upload a picture of here on Canvas.